Hello again. It's coming on from my land journey. I'm way inland now, and this is beautiful horse land and cattle land, and cows and birds, and lots of cars, lots of beautiful trees. Let me turn the camera around. Beautiful mountains and hills. Just stopped here. Some beautiful horses here, and fowls, and there's also stud farms that I have just passed, and horse training centers, and this is like the scenic rim, and this is a hinterland of the Gold Coast. There's a parachuter up there, not a parachuter, a paraglider. And beautiful cows here. It's interesting, these moments when no car drives by, and it's quiet. And so many cars, and the road is very loud. It's a very, very grounding energy here. Motorbikes. Let's see if we go over to the cows. Very busy. Maybe I keep going, but let's see if we can go over. Very hectic energy with the cars driving by. Let's visit these beautiful beings and these beautiful trees. Beautiful eucalyptus trees. Beautiful precious cows. Beautiful, beautiful, peaceful beings. Look at them. So much love. They look so proud and so present and so beautiful. So much space here. Houses have, there's so much land. So much land. Beautiful. So let's sit a bit here for a few minutes before I keep going. It's very powerful gliding through these roads that people built in this land where there was nothing before. Like how it's unfathomable how long that took. And feeling the people that used to just ride here on horseback, and now all these cars are driving through. And I'm just mesmerized driving through the hills and the trees, and the sun is shining through, and the sky is blue and white clouds, and it's really, really magical. And I call this a land journey because I journey with the land, and whatever comes up in me, I don't walk it today, I'm driving it, but this is a shamanic journey. And as I drive, I feel, I have memories come up, I meet animals. Look at these beautiful cows, they're coming in. It's sweet energy. So sweet. So sweet. I'm feeling the animals very strongly today. Rosie is with me and everywhere and opening new doors, and there was a new bird at the beach, which often happens after a guinea pig has transitioned. It's a very red beak. The last one, yeah, was Johnny with an orange beak, and very, very interesting. So these beautiful, beautiful cows coming closer. Ah, so much love. Look at their togetherness, and yeah, feeling these animals. They're not just numbers, they're not just beef to eat. There shouldn't, I mean, there's no should or shouldn't. And now it's very beautiful to see these as the souls that they are, the animals, and how beautiful it is to have them on this planet. Some people just see them as meat. That's what I'm speaking to, and they have numbers in their ear, and yeah, so when I do these land journeys, I bring my love across, and the love across the whole grid, into the trees and the portals, the animals. I'm very conscious of traveling the grid as I journey, and I'm here today for a reason. On my way to my son, I'm going to drive back together on the way back. So, oh, they're so beautiful. My heart. You can hear all the birds when the horrific traffic stops. Yeah. We were out here during COVID. It was lovely and quiet. The lockdowns were certainly had something very beautiful. Didn't they, my beauties? You sweethearts? You sweet babies? I'm getting more confident. Coming into this transmission. Big hearts. Beautiful calming energy. Look how beautiful they are together. These beautiful 6 of them. Oh. Beautiful relating, touching, breathing together. Another one coming. Beautiful willy wagtail. Another one coming. I'm just filled with smiles. I know, beautiful grounding, right? Hello, Barry. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful here in the hinterland. I love to be close to the beach though too. I mean, it's not that far away, it's only an hour. And yeah, oh, it's beautiful. These animals are so beautiful. And these trees out here, look at their gorgeous eyes. I also really adore their smell. Just grounding, calming the nervous system. The silent communication with the animals beyond words. Look, they each have a personality, they each have a soul. They are as little a piece of meat as we are. They are real living beings. They love each other, they're connected, they have feelings. They feel love. They are love. Beautiful grounding energy. In my Chinese horoscope, I'm an ox, I'm a water buffalo, so I have a beautiful connection with the cows, and my Mars is in Taurus as well, and yeah, I feel very connected with this energy. When I grew up, we had cows in our backyard. I feel their breathing, they're like big whales here on land. They just draw us into presence, beautiful presence. Oh, look what they do with what they can do with their ears. Draw one ear back, the other one forward. Oh, look at these beautiful ear movements. Yeah. Oh, so much love. Also very shy. So I'm going to turn this off in a few minutes, and you can feel this forever presence that is here, timelessness, stillness, reminding us of the depths that we are, the eternal beings we are. Ah, look at these gentle eyes. Oh yeah. This looks like the male. Yeah. And he feels very protective. So feeling his energy come in. Ah, the opposite to the racing cars. So I leave them now, and I'll see you later. I wish you a beautiful day, and I'll come on later when I'm at another beautiful spot I feel to come on from. Yeah, much love and many blessings.